I am Pankaj Dubey. I am calling from Ghaziabad. I'm in UP, and I just recently joined this group to learn more and more about speaking English. So even I am inspired by this group. And Mr. Anand Raj really, it's an inspiration for me. So that's why recently I started around 15 to 30 days ago. I started to watch some videos to how to speak in English. So recently I got one link of Anand Raj about this Skype group. So today I told you recently that today I joined this group, and you are the first person with whom I am talking to in English. So that's why even I also want to ask you how and when you did start this group, and when did you join this group?
Yeah, of course, everything I'm going to tell you. And it's a long time ago, brother, when I was beginner. That moment, I was thinking about how to learn an English language, how to do that, which way should I go. So I was curious about, I wasn't finding any good way to learning a communication, good way to finding a partner. I wasn't getting. But suddenly what happened, I saw one video, and that video we can call to Anand, Anand sir. He was great guy
Right,
and
right, right.
regular guy to make a new video, new topic. And seriously, whenever he upload that kind of video, always I try to watch twice and thrice. I feel too happy. I inspire for me. He is my ideal, we can say, brother. I love him, we can say.
His previous video around 1 year or 2 year ago video, and now I watched recently his video. Definitely, his improvement, his get more and more improvement as compared to previous videos. Really, so it's an inspiration for all the people who belong from some native language, not belong from English environment language. So that's he's really inspiration for all that type of people. So it's good to be touch with that type of people, and even I am also looking forward to learn lots of things, lots of communication skills by joining this group.
Yeah, that's great, brother. That's good. If I talk about, like if I try to compliment that kind of group seriously, it's like I could not say, I don't have a word to explanation. This is literally helping a lot of people, brother. If I talk about that kind of group, it's amazing. Lots of people have participated and they are literally improving. You know, so it's long time ago. We can call to like maybe previous year. So that was my turning point, brother. Like when I joined that kind of group, I feel too happy, and I try to talk with stranger, discuss about regular basis like English conversation, some topic, some story. Then I felt amazing. Then my confidence, like brother, we can call to like I boom my confidence. I boom my confidence. And right now I could not feel to hesitation and fear. I can manage, brother. But it's a, we can say I took a lots of benefit from that kind of group, brother. Seriously, I'm feeling happy. I can't express my feeling, what I'm feeling right now because of Anand sir. He made a fantastic group over there. If I talk about like 500 to 600 people are participated, and they are literally improving. They are literally talking with stranger regular basis. They are making a videos. They are improving without any cost, brother. It's we can call to this is free of cost. And this is good way to improve each other, like make a video call, talk about our expression, eye contact, body language, everything. This is free of cost, one-to-one conversation, brother. So always I prefer to video call. Always
Yeah,
I
it's good.
prefer.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Even we can touch with other. We can even say how our physical presence when we try to speak English, how our expressions was going on. So it's good. Sometimes we talk with some stranger, but maybe we can improve our English by talking them. So it's a good platform. Really, Anand sir provide good platform so that everyone, even the person who couldn't bear the charges like Cambly, like Clappingo, this type of, that there's a very high charging of if we want to join that type of groups. So it is good to be provide a platform like this, so people can learn or speak English easily. Even I really impress your English. You really speaking a very good English. So it's good to speak with you. And I am trying to, of course, I'm trying to learn lots of things today by from you.
Yeah, of course. Fantastic. Seriously, I'm feeling too hilarious, brother. And all credit I give a Anand sir. I give a Anand sir because he's a great person. Why I'm telling, you know,
I have watched your video with Anand sir. I think I remember something else. In that video, you have telling that you want to work in airline, something like that.
right, right, brother, right. It's long time ago I made with him, and that was amazing for me. I realized, brother, like how to learn a English language, how to communicate with a stranger, how to build a confidence, how to destroy our fear, our hesitation, our we can say low confidence. How to learn everything I learned from Anand's video and other people also there. But I can say maybe you heard about Arif Ato, Vishnu Bhardwaj. They are also amazing guy. Literally, they are also helping a lots of people, and especially Anand sir. He's a mind blowing person. Like I have been watching his video, like last year maybe March to Feb. I think March to April. That moment I have been watching his video, and all videos related to brother conversation and fantastic story, and it's amazing. I can't express my feeling before I told you because he deserve it, and he help a lots of people, brother. He help a lots of people, like whoever beginner. Always I suggest like whoever beginner, and if you confused about your communication, your English language, then always I prefer to just visit his YouTube channel and watch out his video. Definitely we will get some idea, some story, some understanding. It's going to help, and his video is like productivity, brother. Literally, his video is like productivity. I
Definitely.
consume a lots of material from Anand sir video. Really, I'm right now. I'm able, right, because of him. I'm able to talk with you right now. I'm
So
able to talk to you.
uh, I just want to ask one question. So you, when did you learn English? Means you are native language English, or you learn after sometimes.
No. This is my second language, brother. This is my. If you talk about English language, this is my secondary language. If I talk about my mother tongue, so my mother tongue language is Hindi, brother. And I grow
Okay.
up Maharashtrian, brother. In Maharashtrian, I can speak a Marathi language, and I can speak a Hindi also because this is my mother tongue, and little bit English also, brother. Little bit English. And if I talk about
So
like
you are speaking fluently, yeah, not little bit. Yeah, you are speaking fluently. Really,
thank you very
for
much,
me,
brother.
for
Seriously,
me, it's very good English. Even
because
I'm not
because
this
you are.
level.
See, brother, because of you are giving me opportunity to deliver my content, my story, because you are helping me. Whatever I'm doing, I'm learning because of you are people. You are helping me. You are talking about like Samir, just express yourself, just talk to more, just give me some story, give me some idea. Then I try to learn from your side, brother. Because whenever I connect with a stranger, I feel too happy. I curious about to discuss some interesting topic. I discuss about share my knowledge, my perspective, my ideas, and even sometimes I grab some knowledge from other people, from a stranger, brother. Really, I'm feeling too much happy because of you are great person, man. You are great person, really.
No, yeah. I'm just trying to learn something and maybe learn few things, or so that I can speak in English. So it's today is my first day. Hello.
Yeah. So, brother, I forget what's your future plan. You didn't mention like what you're doing in this day. What you're doing, by the way.
Yeah, actually, I'm working in a private firm. So where if you are very good in English, then you can express yourself. Even while I am very good in technical and by very good in something else, I know lots of things. But if I couldn't able to express in English in front of everyone, then it's realize me, it feels me that I even they feels me that I don't know nothing. So that's why sometimes feels very we can say very sadly, very something that my moral will sometime my moral down, and I will try to improve ourselves. I will even I try to work hard to speak in English so that I can express myself very well in front of my teams, my colleagues. Even I got some opportunities, but I couldn't able to sustain this that opportunity. The reason behind that I am not so good. I am couldn't able to present in English. You can say I couldn't able to present fluently or couldn't able to present rightly in front of everyone. So that's why the main reason is that because in today's world English is compulsory. English is a very need necessary things to improve your even if you can say that nowadays English is going to represent your skills, your presentations, your can say your attitude like that. So nowadays English is must. So that's why I have to be. I think that I have to be learn English. I have to speak English. So I just started watching some videos on YouTube. So recently I today joined this group also. So today I'm going to learn lots of things. So maybe again we are try to connect with you. Definitely we
Yeah,
will try to connect
of
future so that I can learn
course.
more and more things from your side. So I'm
See,
not so good
brother.
in grammar, I'm not so good in sentences. I'm not so good in grammar. I'm not so good in saying. Even I don't remember lots of vocabulary when I try to present. Even sometimes I'm totally blank. Oh, what I am trying to saying or what I'm going to say in front of that person or this person. Sometimes totally blank. Even I forget a small small vocabs about I forget sometimes. So that's why I want to one habit. I want to habitual that thing. So that's only by doing this, speaking things in front of you, in front of other guys. By only doing these things, I can learn. I can speak. I can get the confidence.
Okay. So, brother, one thing I'm going to tell you, like, you are doing great. You're speaking, whenever you try to speak in front of people, like front of me, you're speaking amazing. And you have a better accent, brother. Like, whenever you try to talk with me, you are winking your eyes like that. This is great thing, brother. That moment, I think, in my perspective, you were thinking about, like, what should I talk? What should I talk? I think. Am I right? Whenever you wink your eye like that, so you feel to like, what should I talk in next sentence, I think. Okay,
No,
so
actually, the reason is that sometimes you know that I belong from Hindi medium. So sometimes I have to convert sentences in my mind. So first I have to think in Hindi, then I have to in the you can say there are very few times I have to convert that sentence in English, and then I have to present in front of you, in front of something else. So that's the that's the reason because I am not habitual to speak in English. So that's the things. Sometimes I have to be. You can say that thinking in Hindi and speaking in English. So I have to be remove this thing. I have to remove this things
yeah,
daily.
right.
I have to think in English. I am speaking English. Then I can speak in English fluently.
Don't translate yourself, brother, like Hindi to English, because whenever you translate, definitely you will make a so much mistake. And if you make a habit, brother, you will never learn an English language. So avoid it, translate. If possible, then remove this thing. Don't translate Hindi to English. Okay. And you told me like I belong to Hindi medium. So if I tell my story, brother, I belong to Marathi medium. Yeah, I belong to Marathi medium. My native place is UP, brother. But in I grow and born in here, like in Maharashtra, and I did my study from Marathi medium. But I never that moment, brother. I was also confusing, like how to learn a communication, how to learn an English language. Recently, I started my journey, brother. Like 15 to 16 year has gone. I didn't think about that was important for me. English was important for me. But now I realize what is the value of English language, what is the important in my life. Then I'm struggling myself. Last year I started my English journey. That moment is still now. Regular basis, I try to talk with stranger. I talk to myself. I try to listen podcast. I try to speak more. This is my way, brother. This is my way. And I'm going to tell you one thing, brother. Always keep going, keep learning, don't demotivate, don't feel too nervous, don't compare your English with someone, don't do that. Whatever you have, just make you stronger. You have a weakness, we can say, like about a lack of vocabulary, lack of grammar, lack of practice, but just work yourself. No anyone perfect to any communication skill, no anyone perfect to English language, everyone learning. You know, we make a several time mistake, brother, we make a lots of mistake, but don't care about our mistake, avoid, just keep going, keep learning, brother. Learning is very very important. Go to forward, don't think about demotivate, like I don't have a partner, I don't have an environment, so I'm going to backward, I'm feeling demotivated, I'm feeling low confidence. Don't do that. It's okay, it will take a time, maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, but you will done. You will definitely, you will. If you decide yourself like I want to improve my communication, you can, brother, you can. So don't give up. See, one thing I'm going to tell you, like nothing is, we can say, like everything is easy when you crazy. Nothing is easy when you feel too lazy. You know, no
Right,
matter how
right,
you
definitely.
feel, no matter how you feel, get up, dress up, and show up, but never give up, brother. Never give up. Never give up. We can call. You know,
Right, right,
one
definitely.
one idiom also I'm going to tell you, it's a fantastic, I remember that right now, like as you sow so shall you reap. If I tell you Hindi version, brother, maybe like jaisa karoge waisa bharoge. So if you struggle yourself, definitely you will get a benefit, you will get a some, sweet. If you grow a tree always give a sweet and some fruit and some like branches xyz. So depend on your struggle, brother. If you do hard work, you will get a lots of benefit. You will realize like where is my level automatically, brother. In here, brother, no anyone supporting, no anyone helping about our life, no anyone helping. We have to stand, we have to think about, no, this is my life, I want to grab it, I want to, struggle more, I want to get a success. No anyone help in this world, brother. No anyone. We have to help ourselves. Okay.
Def- right, right, definitely. Yeah, even